case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1966, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Mills v. Alabama. The pivotal issue at the heart of this case was whether a state could penalize a newspaper editor for publishing an Election Day editorial that supported a certain voting choice, raising questions about the First Amendment's protection of freedom of the press. The case stemmed from an election event in Birmingham, Alabama on November 6, 1962. Citizens gathered to vote for one of two proposed forms of government. That same day, James E. Mills, the editor of local newspaper, the Birmingham Post-Herald, ran an editorial extolling the benefits of the mayor-council system. As a result of his actions, Mills was swiftly arrested under the stipulations of Section 285 of the Alabama Corrupt Practices Act, which explicitly forbids any form of electioneering or vote solicitation on the actual day of the election. Initially, the trial court dismissed the charges against Mills, asserting that the case was an infringement of freedom of speech and press. However, this ruling was subsequently overturned by the Alabama Supreme Court, which defended the legality of the state law. Undeterred, Mills appealed to the Supreme Court of the United States. In this higher court, the question of whether the Alabama statute violated the free press protections embedded within the First Amendment was seriously scrutinized. In a reversal of the Alabama Supreme Court's decision, the Supreme Court of the U.S. ruled Alabama's state law as unconstitutional. The nation's highest court emphatically upheld the First Amendment's protection of freedom of the press, asserting that a state cannot punish an editor for expressing a particular viewpoint in an Election Day editorial. Highlighted as a landmark victory for the preservation of press freedom, Mills v. Alabama reaffirms the essential role an independent and uninhibited press plays in maintaining a functioning democracy. The decision not only vindicated Mills, but also fortified the constitutional rights of all editors and journalists across America.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.